Understanding inherited retinal diseases. A look at our vision. Inherited retinal diseases are serious eye problems. They are often known by the letters IRDs. These diseases cause damage to the retina. The retina is a very important layer of tissue. It is located at the back of your eye. It is essential for capturing images. IRDs can lead to significant vision loss. In some cases, they can even cause blindness. IRDs are primarily genetic conditions. This means they are caused by our genes. Genes are passed down from parents to children. Think of genes as instruction manuals for our body. If there is a mistake or mutation in an eye gene, this mistake can cause the retina to not work properly. Many different genes can be involved in IRDs. Each specific gene fault affects vision in its own way. Losing your sight has a very big impact on daily life. Simple tasks can become extremely difficult. Things like reading a book or recognizing a friendly face. Driving a car or navigating new places becomes a challenge. People affected may need more support from others. They might feel worried, isolated, or sad about their vision. Understanding these diseases is the very first crucial step. This understanding helps scientists find pathways to provide help. The retina contains special cells that are sensitive to light. These important cells are called photoreceptor cells. There are two main types, rods and cones. Rods help us to see in conditions of dim light. Cones are responsible for seeing colors and sharp details. In many IRDs, these photoreceptor cells gradually stop working. This leads to a progressive decline in a person's vision. This decline can happen slowly over many years. Researchers at the University of Oklahoma are hard at work. They are dedicated to studying inherited retinal diseases. Their scientific work is incredibly important for many people. They strive to gain a deeper understanding of these conditions. Their ultimate goal is to discover new ways to help patients. This dedicated research provides a beacon of hope. It focuses on identifying the precise genetic causes. The team's commitment to this cause is truly commendable. One of the primary objectives is to improve diagnostic methods. It is vital for doctors to know the exact cause of an IRD. This knowledge helps them provide the most appropriate care. The Oklahoma researchers are searching for genetic markers. These markers are like specific flags within our DNA. They clearly point to the particular gene causing the problem. This makes the process of diagnosis much more accurate. Patients can then receive clearer information about their condition. This groundbreaking research also aims to establish a foundation for developing effective future treatments. Knowing the specific gene involved is key to finding a solution. If scientists understand the root cause, they can design therapies that could potentially correct the underlying genetic fault. This is certainly a long-term and ambitious goal, but the current work is building that essential groundwork. It represents a significant step towards potential future cures. The dedicated team at the University of Oklahoma uses advanced science. They meticulously study DNA samples from affected individuals. These precious samples are often provided by patients and families. They carefully analyze the complex genetic code within the DNA. They are searching for very small changes or errors. These tiny changes in the DNA are called mutations. Finding these specific mutations is absolutely crucial. It helps to unlock the many secrets hidden within IRDs. Our DNA is like a vast and detailed instruction book. It contains all the information needed to build our body. These instructions are organized into units called genes. A small alteration in the sequence of a gene is a mutation. Some mutations can be harmless, but others can cause diseases. Inherited retinal diseases are caused by such harmful mutations. Researchers diligently search for these precise genetic changes. This detailed search helps them to understand each disease better. Scientists begin by collecting DNA samples from patients. They often also collect DNA from other members of their families. They then carefully compare the DNA sequences of these individuals. They look for differences that might explain the disease. Specialized machines and computers help them read the DNA code. This complex process is known as genetic sequencing. It allows them to pinpoint the exact mutations responsible. These mutations are the vital clues that they are seeking. Identifying specific genetic markers is an extremely important step. A genetic marker is a known DNA sequence. It acts like a signpost, indicating a link to an IRD. Finding such a marker can help to confirm a diagnosis. It can also help to identify the specific type of IRD. This makes the diagnostic information much more precise and reliable. Doctors can then plan patient care more effectively. Patients in turn gain a better understanding of their condition. This kind of DNA analysis involves incredibly detailed work. There are many different genes that can be involved in IRDs. In fact, scientists know of over 280 such genes. Different mutations, even in the same gene, can have varied effects. It is very much like trying to solve a highly complex puzzle. Each small piece of genetic data contributes to the bigger picture. It helps to build a much clearer understanding of the disease. This meticulous and painstaking work is absolutely essential for progress. The research being conducted offers many potential benefits. One of the most immediate is a much improved diagnosis. When doctors can identify the exact faulty gene, it helps greatly. It provides patients and their families with clear answers. This clarity can help to reduce feelings of uncertainty and worry. It can also help to predict how the disease might progress. This information allows for better long-term life planning. Families can then feel more prepared for what the future holds. A more accurate diagnosis also benefits entire families. Inherited retinal diseases can often run in families. Genetic testing can therefore help other family members. They can find out if they also carry the faulty gene. They can learn about their own personal risk of developing the IRD. This knowledge is powerful and empowering for individuals. It helps them to make informed decisions about their health. It can also support important family planning choices for the future. The development of new treatments is a major source of hope. Knowing the specific gene that is not working correctly is the start. Scientists can then begin to design targeted therapies. Gene therapy is one particularly exciting and promising possibility. This approach attempts to repair or replace the faulty gene. Other types of innovative treatments might also be discovered. These could aim to slow down or even halt vision loss. Future research will undoubtedly build upon these current findings. The vital work taking place at the University of Oklahoma is crucial. It brings tangible hope to many individuals living with IRDs. It is aimed squarely at fighting the devastating effects of vision loss. A future where cures or preventative treatments exist is possible. This dedicated research is not just about scientific discovery. It is fundamentally about improving the quality of people's lives. It is about giving people a better chance to see the world. The path ahead is long, but science shines a hopeful light forward.